I get that part. I get this part.
I don't want to drive.
All right. So, talk to me. What's the very first thing that we got to do in this problem?
Draw a triangle.
But I don't know where to draw it yet, do I?
You find
So we got to find what quadrant we're in first. Okay? So, what do you got?
I know that the cosine thing.
We're not even there yet. Yeah. But good job. When we get to the cosine, we'll go there. Okay? Or were you? I'm sorry, I stopped you early. Cosine is what?
I was going to say, we know that the x is negative, right? X negative.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Okay. I know that this. So what does this tell me?
Wait, why? I'm with Grace. I'm confused.
Hold on.
He's explaining.
Let me explain. Okay. What does that tell me?
That one of them has to be positive.
What does that tell me?
That the cosine is negative 3.
That the adjacent is 3 and negative.
It's in
That the x is
quadrant.
negative 3.
Oh, we're talking
Talk to me.
It's in quadrant.
Or
2 or 4.
or what? You gave me 3 of them. It can only be in 2 of them.
It's in 2 or, wait, cosine is...
2 or 3, right?
But
Okay.
I thought
So
it's negative.
stop. We're answering the question, where is theta? We have to start there first. If you start anywhere else, you're wrong. Okay? So this tells me that we are in quadrant 2 or quadrant 3. What does this tell me?
The tangent's positive because it's 3. So it needs to be quadrant 3. Quadrant 1 or 2.
What?
1 or 2.
Close.
2.
1
1 or 3.
or 3. Tangent's positive in 1 or 3. Okay. Now what do I know? It's in quadrant 3. Theta is in quadrant 3. You have to establish that first. Because otherwise you're just throwing a water balloon against the wall. Okay? Alright? So now I know I'm in quadrant 3. So theta is this. Right? So that means I can draw a triangle, and again, you can draw a triangle however you want to. However, I would draw my triangle in quadrant number 3. This then becomes my theta prime. Now, knowing the fact that the cosine is 3/4, what can we do?
Fill in the hypotenuse and the adjacent.
Okay, so the adjacent is vertical or horizontal, and that's going to be, hypotenuse is 4. Okay, what's the missing side?
The opposite.
Square root of 7? Because 3 squared plus y squared equals 4 squared. 9 plus y squared equals 16. Y squared equals 7. Don't have to go plus or minus because we're in a triangle. Yes? Okay. Now what can I find? Want to jump to sine and tangent? Okay. So sine of theta is what? Do we agree with the sine of tangent is the square root of 7 over 4? Negative, because we're in quadrant 3, so sine has to be negative. Okay, I agree with that. Tangent, or excuse me, cotangent is what we need. We need cotangent. It is not the opposite, it's the reciprocal. Yes, ma'am. Because sine in quadrant number 3 is negative. And theta lives in quadrant number 3. It's going to be positive, yep, because it's in quadrant 3 and tangent and cotangent are positive in quadrant 3. So it'll be 3 square roots of 7 over 7.
Wait. What? Yeah, that's right. I agree with that.
Right?
Well, I'm waiting for him to say be proud of your wrong answer again.
Yes?
Well, that's right.
Yeah, because you do.
Because if you look at the triangle, the tangent of theta prime
You just got rid of the square root of it.
is going to be 3 over the square root of 7, right? Right? Multiply both top and bottom by the square root of 7, we get 3 square roots of 7 over 7. Quadrant 3, tangent is? Tangent is what in quadrant 3? Positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive, which means cotangent is positive also there. So we get that. Yes?
No.
No, it's reciprocal of tangent. Oh, I'm sorry. Did I put? Yes, I'm sorry. I put tangent here. I see where you're confused there, Grace. I put tangent there. I meant to put cotangent there. That one? Does that clear that up? Sorry, my bad. Tangent would have been the square root of 7 over 3. Reciprocated. Yeah, my fault. Brain got going too fast. Okay? Now we just got to find theta, right? So, let's find theta prime. .41. Okay, so what's theta? Okay, because we're in quadrant 3.
Oh, yeah.
Oops, I
You always start from the origin. So how does it find on it?
I went the inverse cosine of it. Could have done
You can do any.
any of them, yep. Could have done inverse tangent of root 7 over 3.
Inverse.
So that's going to be what? 221.4 degrees? Yeah?
Wait, I did not get the same. If you do like tangent. So you do tangent. Oh, I did it wrong. That's what.
You did cotangent.
I did cotangent.
Mhm.
Yeah. Okay.
Yep.
I just lost.
Good?
Yep.
All right. So, in preparation for for Tuesday's test, we have a formative again today that we're going to take next, and posted in the back of the room when you're done with your formative. It's a self-correcting formative today. So there are 2 answer keys up front. There's 1 answer key in the calendar in the back. So you can check your answers and then get right into fixing if you want. If you got a perfect score, you can turn it into either the basket or there's folders up here with grading mods and stuff on them. So there's that. And make sure these are, oh no, I guess these are the handbag folders. Mrs. Hill went and, so just turn it back in, bless you. Just turn it into the grading bin if you're good with it. Also, in the back, there are copies of the answers to all of the 6 gold sheets that are due. We talked about at the beginning of class. You got these for the number 1 formative you got back yesterday in class. You could be working on fixing that one. This one you're taking today. And then this number 6, this review over here, that's the one you picked up today.
Those answers are also on this learning.
Everything is on It's Learning now. Yes, I forgot. I thought I had posted 4 and 5, or excuse me, I thought I had posted 3 and 4, but I didn't, and I got yelled at. So they're up there now. Yeah. Yep. Everything's up there. So. Okay. All right. So clear everything else off. You can use a non-graphing calculator on this formative today. If you don't have a non-graphing calculator, there's some up here.